ritardi sono, la rinuncia, tutti devono andare in galera tutti, devono andare tutti.
In the northern region of Veneto, the storm caused a river to burst banks, resulting in severe flooding in the town of Bassano del Grappa. Local authorities have warned residents to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel. Italy has been hit by a foreign storm causing widespread disruption and damage across the country. The storm, which brought heavy rain and high winds, has resulted in flooding, landslides and power outages in many areas. Further south in the region of Tuscany, the storm caused several landslides, blanking roads and causing traffic chaos. Emergency services have been working around the clock to clear the debris and restore access to affected areas. In the capital Rome, the storm caused widespread power outage, leaving many residents without electricity for several hours. The city public transport system also experienced significant disruption. The many bus and train service cancelled or delayed it. The storm is expected to continue to affect Italy for the next few days, with the forecasters warning of further heavy rain and high winds. Residents are being advised to take all necessary precautions to stay updated to the latest weather warning.